Hey there, you just won a significant sum of money. You're over the moon, but there's a catch. The money is in a different bank, and you need it urgently. Hook. How long do you think it would take to transfer that money to your account? A day? A week? A month? Context. Wire transfers are a common method for transferring money between banks, especially for large sums. But the speed of these transfers can vary depending on several factors, including the banks involved and the time of day. Main content. Today, we're going to dive into one specific bank, Ally Bank. How long does a wire transfer take from Ally Bank? Factors affecting wire transfer speed. Time of day. Typically, wire transfers initiated during business hours are processed more quickly than those initiated outside of regular banking hours. Ally Bank typically processes wire transfers Monday through Friday, excluding holidays. Destination bank. The speed of the wire transfer can also depend on the policies and procedures of the receiving bank. Some banks may have faster processing times than others. Domestic versus international transfers. Domestic wire transfers within the United States usually take less time than international wire transfers. International transfers often involve multiple banks and may be subject to additional regulations. Weekend and holiday processing. Wire transfers initiated on weekends or holidays may be delayed. Ally Bank may have specific guidelines for processing wire transfers during these times. Ally Bank's wire transfer process. Ally Bank generally processes wire transfers within one business day. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Same-day transfers. Ally Bank may offer same-day wire transfers for certain types of transactions or under specific circumstances. It's essential to check with Ally Bank directly for the most current information. Cutoff times. Ally Bank may have specific cutoff times for wire transfers. If you miss the cutoff time, your transfer may be processed on the next business day. Additional fees. Ally Bank may charge fees for wire transfers. The fees may vary depending on the type of transfer and the destination bank. Real-life examples. To give you a better idea of how long a wire transfer from Ally Bank might take, let's consider a few real-life examples. Example 1. John initiated a domestic wire transfer from Ally Bank to his friend's bank on a Tuesday morning. The transfer was processed and completed by the end of the same day. Example 2. Sarah initiated an international wire transfer from Ally Bank to her overseas account on a Friday afternoon. Due to the international nature of the transfer and potential processing delays at the receiving bank, the transfer took approximately 3 business days to complete. Conclusion. While Ally Bank generally processes wire transfers quickly, the exact time can vary depending on several factors. By understanding these factors and following Ally Bank's guidelines, you can get a better estimate of how long your wire transfer might take. Call to action. If you have any specific questions about wire transfers from Ally Bank, I encourage you to contact their customer service directly. They can provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date information. Ending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.